Hey everybody, Jackwagon Country Gal. Alright, I got some more nature videos for you today. I said goodbye on my first recording, and then I recorded more stuff, so don't pay attention to the goodbye. Just watch all the little clips together. Why? Because everybody likes ducks, right? Alright, here we go with some more nature. Love you all. Hey guys, Jackwagon Country Gal here. We got a nature video going on. It's wet outside. I don't want to get out of my car. Hi. Yeah, perfect. I got a new camera if you guys all can't tell. Thanks to Verizon. Not sponsored, but we can talk Verizon. Yeah, got some... Don't you laugh at me. My sister and my man are laughing at me. Like, I'll be the new Verizon lady. Alright. Since my first post was a nature video with ants. Yeah, my sister said we gotta come and feed the ducks. They're getting out of view here. You can be the cameraman now, sis. Get me some good pictures for my YouTube channel. Where is it? I don't know. That's the tree. There you go. Oh, had enough hot dog bun. They're out of here. What river is this that we're next to? Isn't it the... Shiawasi. It's the Shiawasi River. The babbling waters. There they go. And they're off. Are they going back upstream? They said thanks. I heard them. We got more hot dog buns. There they come. We got more customers. Did they bring the hot dog bun into the water? They're leaving. Ooh, there's a couple flying. I missed that. I'm not good at this. Where are they? There they go. Alright, folks. It's our nature video today over here in good old Shiawasi County. Alright. Love you all. Have a good one.
Oh, here they come.
For you.
Come on. Quack, 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 quack.
Wonton strips.
Quack, quack, quack.
Come on, guys. Somebody get in the frame.
Come on. Quack, quack,
Somebody
quack,
needs to get in the frame over
They're
here.
starting to come up on this side.
Yeah, I got a perfect.
There's about 5 of them.
Oh, hey guys. There's the frickin' duck party. You guys are all gonna be famous.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, here she comes. She's got more duck bait. She's a professional duck feeder in town. Oh boy! Here they come.
Quack, quack.
I did record your arm on that. You give me permission to use your arm?
Send the plate.
Oh, that's nice. We got a nice Dollar General bag, just kind of...
Quack, quack, quack,
Yeah,
quack, quack,
I don't leave trash.
I know, it's the only piece of trash along the whole way. Wow, there's a bunch of them down there.
Maybe they don't like wontons.
Who didn't like wontons?
Wonton strips. They're trying to get up here. Some of them are fighting each other. Our birds fight too. It's funny.
Come on.
No, here they go.
There they go.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
They're gonna come this way now. Oh, here they come.
Quack, 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 quack.
Best, here, you gotta record it, Best. You have a way better. There, now I can get some real nature action.
gosh, now go over to that way and find your little pile. But there's something right in front of the car.
The city ducks. Ducks in the city.
Have you got a napkin or something?
In there.
No, to the no.
Sam to the Sam. Where is my purse to the purse? And my wipes to the wipes. Dude, there's a big blob of resin. I'm trying to. Oh,
Quack, 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 quack. What's going on out there, guys?
they sound like they're having like a community conversation.
What happened? Oh, yeah? Oh, really?
You know they're going that
Is
way.
that how you feel?
Oh, back to the Dollar General bag.
Did they even get any of that cereal?
They don't want that Special K.
They don't like Special K?
Nobody likes Special K. No, that one mama is over there. Son.
So they like the wonton strips and the hot dog bun.
Hot dog buns.
Oh, you got something to say? Yeah.
Dude, yeah, you're right. There's about 15, 20 of them. I haven't even got them all. All right.